Farms matter, and today we're going to talk about some of the most impressive farms in the world. Stick around to find out which ones. Since its founding in 2012, Viet Pepper has made remarkable progress. The young Vietnamese company started with a modest 20-hectare plantation, but through dedication and a passion for quality, it has grown to 500 hectares of vibrant pepper fields. The harvesting process at Viet Pepper is a true homage to Vietnamese traditions. Women with wicker baskets and straw hats handpick each pepper, ensuring each fruit is handled with care and attention. After sun-drying, the peppercorns are transported to specialized workshops where they are ground and packaged in elegant glass bottles to preserve the authentic taste and superior quality of the pepper. With each jar of Viet Pepper, you can experience the true taste of Vietnam, a sensory journey from the fields to your table. As we explore advances in aquaculture, it's time to discover SalMar's pioneering work in premium salmon farming. Unlike traditional meat production, raising salmon is a complex and delicate task, and SalMar has perfected this technique with state-of-the-art technology. SalMar's facilities are located both on the coast and on the surface of the water, providing an ideal environment for salmon development. The process begins with the egg incubation, which takes 25 days under controlled conditions. After hatching, the fry spend another month living off the yolk sac before being transferred to a specially designed aquarium. There they're kept at a constant temperature of 14 degrees Celsius under dim lighting to promote optimal growth. Finally, the salmon are transferred to open cages where they continue to grow for another year. This process requires patience and meticulous care to ensure that each salmon is of the highest quality before it reaches the market. With a commitment to excellence, SalMar sets new standards in the aquaculture industry, offering the highest quality salmon for the most discerning palates. Since 2017, Berry Blue has been perfecting the art of blueberry farming with an approach that combines tradition and dedication. While their blueberry fields may resemble vineyards from a distance, with their curling vines and clusters of blueberries, the reality of cultivation is much more detailed. With Berry Blue, the harvesting process cannot be fully automated. The berries are delicate and easily bruised, requiring manual picking to ensure quality. Tractors play an important role, but they're only used to transport the berries from the field to the warehouse. Once there, a slow conveyor belt sorts the berries with precision. Each berry is carefully packed into containers by the Berry Blue team, labeled with barcodes, and then loaded onto tractors for distribution. This traditional approach ensures that each berry retains its exceptional freshness and quality. In a world of automation, Berry Blue proves that meticulous and manual care remains essential to delivering top-quality blueberries. When it comes to mozzarella, the authentic and unique taste of this Italian cheese is unsurpassed. Torre, a renowned Italian company, reveals the secrets behind producing what may be the best mozzarella in the world. On their extensive 180-acre farm, Torre grows corn, barley, and oats specifically to feed their livestock, ensuring that the buffalo receive a high-quality diet. These strong and well-fed buffalo produce exceptional milk, which is the basis for their superior mozzarella. The production process begins with the milk being kneaded and boiled to form a thick, snow-white mass. Before the mozzarella is ready for market, it undergoes rigorous laboratory testing to ensure that all microorganisms are alive and all essential nutrients are preserved. Only after passing these tests is the cheese sent to packaging. There it is mixed and shredded into the round balls that are synonymous with quality and taste. Torre demonstrates that a combination of proper feeding, meticulous processing, and rigorous quality control can result in mozzarella that is not only delicious, but also represents the true essence of Italian cheese. Imagine an advanced greenhouse that takes agriculture to the next level, far beyond the makeshift system we saw on The Martian. The Interstellar Lab Biopod is a technological marvel that redefines efficient farming. Designed with 4 prefabricated plastic blocks, this innovative system incorporates UV lighting, plumbing, and high-powered air conditioning to provide an optimal growing environment. Each biopod is equipped with sensors that continuously monitor plant conditions to ensure the ideal environment for accelerated growth. Instead of soil, vegetables, fruits, and herbs are grown in wide trays filled with mineralized liquid, optimizing the use of resources and maximizing the yield of each crop. This system not only minimizes waste, but also reduces operating costs to near zero, resulting in significantly higher profits. With the Interstellar Lab Biopod, you can experience advanced space technology right on your own land, bringing the agriculture of the future into the present. Have you ever wondered if an artificial Christmas tree can compare to a real one? While a live tree fills your home with a festive and natural scent, it also comes with the work of cleaning up fallen needles and keeping it watered. On the other hand, an artificial tree always looks perfect and is easy to store in the garage or attic after the holidays. At the center of this debate is Dutchman Tree Farms, a company that has turned Christmas tree production into a high-tech experience. On their vast plantations, acres of young trees are carefully nurtured and harvested in December. Each tree is meticulously packed in its own crate to ensure that it arrives at market intact, with every branch in perfect condition. What makes Dutchman Tree Farms special is their commitment to the human touch in the process. Instead of relying on robots, the work is done by people who seem to be the cheerful modern-day elves who bring Christmas magic to the cities. In this way, tradition and innovation come together to offer trees that combine the freshness of nature with the precision of technology. In the vibrant heart of Indonesia, Sambu Group stands out as the key leader in the coconut industry. Specializing in the cultivation and processing of coconuts, the company produces a wide range of products, from coconut milk and water to powder, cream, and traditional candied coconut. The Sambu Group's vast plantations are so large that they require a motorcycle or even a helicopter to traverse. Inside their facilities, state-of-the-art machinery ensures that each coconut is processed with precision to meet the group's strict quality standards. Behind this high-level operation are thousands of Indonesians who work tirelessly to maintain excellence at every stage of the process. The Sambu Group is proud to be a global benchmark in the coconut market, with a vision to bring even more Indonesian coconuts to shelves around the globe, bringing the taste and quality of Indonesia to every corner of the globe. Cubic Farm Systems executives opened their presentation with an urgent warning about the risk of global ecological disaster. The only viable solution, they say, is to transform traditional open-field agriculture into a model of crop production in specialized facilities. These systems range from large workshops to small home setups, providing the flexibility to adapt to different needs. With Cubic Farm Systems' advanced technology, any farmer can build a pavilion on their land that operates continuously, 24/7, 365 days a year. This innovative system can replicate any climate, from warm and tropical to cool and humid, like that of Ireland. By eliminating the need for complex supply chains, the technology allows farmers to grow climates at home that previously required distant imports. Imagine being able to replicate the climate of Ecuador, Mexico, or Brazil in a steel box in your own backyard and enjoying fresh bananas without having to ship them from the other side of the world. Cubic Farm Systems is revolutionizing the way we think about agriculture, providing sustainable and efficient solutions to future environmental challenges. Tower farms are revolutionizing urban gardening, providing an elegant and efficient solution for those who want to grow their own vegetables and herbs in limited spaces. Think modern hanging gardens, but in a compact and accessible version, perfect for your home office, backyard, or even balcony. Each tower farm takes up less than 1 square foot of space and requires no soil, so you don't have to worry about dirt or tedious gardening chores like weeding. Just plant your seeds in the tower and let the technology do the rest. The tower farm's vertical growing system is highly efficient, reducing water consumption by an impressive 90% and increasing nutrient concentration by 65%. Each tower can hold up to 32 plants, providing more than enough space to meet your growing needs. With tower farms, enjoying a bountiful and healthy harvest has never been easier or more convenient. Since 1998, SA Mushrooms has been at the forefront of mushroom cultivation in Australia, changing the way we think about this fascinating delicacy. Instead of foraging for mushrooms in the woods, the company specializes in growing them on high racks in carefully designed greenhouses. Here, millions of mushrooms grow simultaneously, with perfect caps and stems and impeccable cleanliness to ensure the highest quality. The farm is equipped with an intelligent irrigation system that keeps the climate constantly moist, providing ideal conditions for optimal mushroom growth. This innovative approach not only guarantees fresh, high-quality mushrooms, but also arouses curiosity. Do toads ever stop by to visit this perfect greenhouse? SA Mushrooms continues to prove that modern agriculture can be as precise as it is fascinating.